Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And this is a mommy vlog video, so I wanted to show the first-time parents on how to set up for your newborn. What makes it easier for me as a mom, and I've had 3 kids, so I think these are the most, I guess, needed things that make my life easier to have her. And by the way, she is 3 months, so yeah, this is Alina, you guys. First time showing her, and yeah, hopefully I can show her a little bit more. But yeah, this is for you parents out there and you moms, and you want to know kind of how to make your life easier, and especially those middle night wake ups and stuff, and how to change her diaper and everything that you would need. Let me know in the comments below if you have any suggestions for other videos. So hope you guys enjoy. So here we have the baby's changing table, and this has been the most helpful. It might not look as organized as you think, but it really is. Like in here we have basically her hats, her bows, you know, so this is where I like to keep all her bows. And then also this is like another thing where I like to keep her bibs. It could be a little bit more organized, but you guys get the hint. When you guys have a newborn and stuff, this is not the easiest to kind of like always be organizing, because you're kind of always with her and stuff, but it keeps it mostly organized. And then this is the lotions and stuff. You know, I like to use this. I've never had problems. I've had 3 kids. This is the best one. I think this powder is the best because it's all kind of natural. And then the Honest, you know, shampoo and lotion. And then samplers. This is the best for if you're going to do their laundry. I recommend this. These are samplers from Amazon. And then as well as, sorry guys. And then these are teether mittens and stuff. I haven't used them yet. As you can tell, they're in the package. And then this nose drop my cousin recommended. Best nose drop if they kind of have breathing problems. Best. It really clears it up really fast. And then as well as, like, you know, the Vino lotions and stuff. Here we have the diapers. So I have like her stock of diapers, and then, you know, her wipes right there. And then these are just her blankets, like, and anything like with blankets in there. And then her changing pads, like I guess the cloth that goes over and stuff. And I got a lot of those from Amazon. And then here's more bows and stuff in her little barrettes to go in her hair when she gets older. Here's some just random toys and stuff, and more toys, and then her books. So that's what we have for the changing table. In the drawer, which I like this changing table because my I don't even know what to call him. We're just complicated right now. But he painted this and stuff, as you can kind of tell. It's not like the greatest painting, but he did a good job because this was full brown. We got this for 30 bucks. So changing tables usually cost 100 and something. But this is like what I have in mind, right? Burp cloths. I have the scalp thing in case she had dry scalp, but she didn't. This is because I breastfeed. This is for nipple balm and care. This is for my breast pump. And then these are just containers for her pacifiers. These are little attachments, her nose plunger, and then the brush and stuff. Yeah, so her Desitin, which I recommend if you have newborns. This works for rashes really, really well. And Vaseline in case you need to, you know, dip this, which this is a automatic thermometer that goes in the butt. You know, I recommend the butt one. It's always accurate, but you literally just push this in the Vaseline and use it on her. Her nail clip, clippers and stuff, and samples of Desitin. And then these are the mittens and stuff, and her booties. All her little socks that I haven't, and you can find these at the dollar store. Then more like little headbands and stuff, and then these are all her like wipe cloths and stuff for her bath and stuff like that, or you want to do a quick little wipe down of her. So that's what's in this drawer, and it's very helpful. Then on the side I have a trash can, which, you know, obviously you kind of want to, you can have a bigger trash can. This is like a $5 trash can from like Ross or something, and you literally could just use that. Like, we change her diaper and then we put it in there for late nights, and then we just dump it in the morning. And then this is literally her laundry basket. It's easy, it's literally a fold and go. And then we have her crib, right? So her crib, I wanted to do like a princess type of theme, but with butterflies and stuff. Obviously I got this mobile from Amazon and stuff, so yeah, it's really cute. She loves it. When I just need to sit her down in here real quick to go to the bathroom or whichever, I just place her there on her boppy. And you know, I was using the boppy for the breastfeeding, but honestly, I don't recommend the boppy. I suggest something else, because this doesn't like really strap and stuff. I got these covers too on Amazon. And then we have a good night pillow, a little, you know, stuffed animal, and her sheets and stuff. I plan to use this when she gets bigger, but we'll see. And then we have all of her shoes, you know, all of her little, this is her little shoe rack, which is so cute because it's like a mini. And then we have also too a night light, which I use in the middle of the night because I don't want the light on, but that helps me see her, and it's very helpful. So if you just want a night light and stuff, this I got at Burlington for like $4. This stuffed animal is her heartbeat. I got this when we did her gender reveal thing. They place her heartbeat in like a stuffed animal. You could choose any stuffed animal. And this is located in Sacramento, so yeah, I'll try to remember the place we went to and stuff. But yeah, so this is my setup and stuff for the middle of the night, and just to keep organized and stuff like that. I don't know why this Winnie the Pooh is there. Her dad put that there, so yeah, I don't like it, but hey, he likes Winnie the Pooh, so he put it up there for her and stuff. Yeah, this little like hanging butterfly, floating butterflies and stuff, she loves that. She's 3 months, and we got that on Amazon too. And then as well as these little flowers are Hobby Lobby. I think they were on sale, so they're like only $5 and stuff. The A I painted, my daughter's name is Alina, and I just painted that. And then the Sweet Dreams is from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, if you're interested in setting up, this is right next to my bed. I wanted her in with me because, like I said, I like to keep my kids close, and I need to see them at all times. I don't like them in a separate room. So if you have like a little small area and you can fit them near your bed, this would be a perfect little setup for your newborn. Also too, don't mind the cushions. These are cheap ones from Walmart. Honestly, I paid too much for it because it ended up snapping. But I recommend a rocking chair too. So if you're breastfeeding or you're a dad in the middle of the night, this rocking chair has come in handy. So I recommend it completely. So if you don't have one, get one. This was passed down from his grandpa. So that's what we did. We used this, and honestly, it's a lifesaver. This is quite useful. This is a bathtub, I guess, seat. And this is probably the cheapest one. I found this at Ross, or actually his sister did, and she gifted it to us. And these are the ones I've used on all my kids, and it's the best one. I don't like the fancy ones or whatever. It's just a waste of money because honestly, they grow quick. And if you're like me, I like to soak whatever, because babies, they poop all the way up their backs and stuff. I like to soak them and stuff and put like soap on them and stuff and just soak them for a couple days, because I don't want to throw their outfits away because poop stains, you know. So I recommend that to let it sit for a while with the soap, and then this way you can rinse it and hand wash it before actually fully washing it. You guys enjoyed that video, and me and Alina will try to do some more mommy videos. Sorry you guys, she's a little antsy, but look at her cute little pink bow. I'm wearing a cute sweater. It's like pink is my signature color. So my friend, she makes these sweaters, and I will link her below for her Instagram. You guys can follow her and get some sweaters from her. Yeah, we love pink, so we're gonna try to do more pink little outfits. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like the video and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, put your notifications on, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.